A great way to grow your YouTube channel is with Google Ads, especially if you use an interesting feature called custom audience segments. So if you don't know what Google Ads is, it's a way to pay money for advertisements and get your YouTube videos in front of potential viewers. This video is not going to go into how to use Google Ads generally. There are plenty of other videos out there that can do that. This is specifically going to talk about a feature called custom audiences. So when we use Google Ads, we have to target certain demographics. The demographic that we're really looking for is that which finds value in our channels. Certainly we want to drive views, but more importantly, we want viewers that view videos for a longer time because the YouTube algorithm loves audience retention. We want viewers that like our videos. We want viewers that subscribe, comment, and share. These are the viewers. If we could find those specific viewers and target those specific viewers, we would have videos that increase their statistics such that the YouTube algorithm will tend to promote them more. So how do we find these people? The way it's usually done, and kind of the default way, is to try to get a handle on things like, the gender, age of your viewer that you're targeting. Is it for kids? Is it for adults? And specific interests is, probably most important. There's a lot of particular things. Home theater would be an example. Motorcycles, bicycles, all sorts of things. But that's kind of hard. How do you really know which of those people are the ones that are gonna not just view your video, but like it and subscribe to it and perhaps comment or share it? Fortunately, YouTube Ad Manager has a better way through custom audience segments. So to create a custom audience segment, you have to use the Audiences tool. You have to find the Audience Manager. Once you do, you're going to get a choice of several types of audiences, and what you want to do is you want to choose YouTube users. The next screen you'll see is where all the magic happens. First thing you can do is you can give your segment a name. Name it whatever you want. Then you can pick a YouTube channel to base this audience segment on. So select your channel there, and then after that you're gonna select what action you want to base this audience off of. When you select the drop down, this is where things get interesting. You're allowed to create an audience based upon a number of attributes, such as I want to create an audience who's based on people that like my channel, or only those people that subscribe to my channel, or people that view any video on my channel, or only certain videos. Now this is the magic, because we don't know what demographic that is for, say, those that subscribe to your channel. What Google Ads is going to do, it's going to take a look at the people that, say, like your channel if you choose that, or subscribe to your channel if you choose that, and it's going to determine what common characteristics those viewers have. Now, we don't know what they are, but they're going to look and they're going to find the common things. Maybe it's they got tattoos on their left arm. We don't know what it is. And suffice it to say, there'll probably be some AI in there if it's not in there already. Once you select the attribute that you want to build your audience upon, you'll come to this screen here where it says populating. This is going to take a while. This doesn't happen in minutes. This happens in hours. I've let these things run overnight, and they've not been done by morning. So be patient, but they will finish. And when they finish, they'll give you an audience that represents the best selection of viewers that match the attribute that you picked. Now, again, the magic is how they choose these viewers. I don't know, and maybe there's stuff written on the algorithm out there, but it's also going to change very rapidly, I'm sure, as they make changes to their audience populating code. But once you're done, you're going to have an audience to work with. Once your audience is finished populating, it's time to create your ad. Now, none of this works if your ad isn't engaging. You want good content in your ad, because you can put a bad ad in front of all the right people and they're not going to respond to it. So make sure you've got a good ad, a good video. But then when you create the ad for that video, choose the custom audience you created and then let it run. And now this video is not going to go into what it takes to do all that. There's plenty of videos out there that show you how to create ads and set your budget and all that. So now when you watch your stats on your ad, you should see an improvement in the engagement of your channel, if that's what you created your ad for. And it might be a market improvement. I've created ads that resulted in 60% of viewer retention all the way to an end of the video, for example. The magic is in finding those people that want to engage with your channel or your particular video and want to do it in such a manner that the stats of the video get tremendously improved. So that's how you create and use custom audience segments in Google Ads. Thanks for listening.